come here. What is it? I don't know. It's some kind of blue box. I can see it's a blue box, but what's it for? I don't know. Let's see. Is there any kind of writing on the box? Any word to tell us what it is? No, there's no writing. I mean, I don't think so. Oh, look! Yes, there is some kind of writing on it. Yes, I see it too. Now let me read the words. I'm sure the words will tell us something about the blue box. Wait a minute, what are the words doing? Don't you think the words are trying to play with us? Yes, they're dancing. It's like they're asking us to read and speak. You are what you read. What? The box says, you are what you read. What does that mean? I guess it means that if we read good books, we will be good. If we read silly books, we will be silly. Good books, good people. Silly books, silly people. Well, don't you find it funny that the blue box is talking to us in writing? What's wrong with it? The blue box wants us to read. Isn't that what we do every day? We find out a lot of things by reading. Nothing's wrong, except I still don't understand what the blue box is. So what will you do? Let me see. So what do you want to do? Well, promise you won't laugh? Come on, what do you want to do? Promise you won't laugh. Okay, I promise. Sally, you don't know what something is until you measure it. Now don't just sit there. Help me. I see. Now I understand. Well, what do you know? No, I don't know. What do you know? Well, it's a perfect cube. What does that mean? It's 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. So what does that tell us? Someone's probably made it. Look, 1 meter is 100 centimeters, is 1,000 millimeters, and a triangle has 3 sides, a square has 4 sides, a pentagon has 5 sides, a hexagon has... Wow! You see how exciting it is when you can see all those numbers and mathematics. Anna, what are you doing? I'm drawing this blue box. It's a wonderful blue box. It's an interesting blue box. Yes, but why are you drawing it? I like to see how things look and how they look together. See? But how does drawing help you understand what the blue box is? When you draw something, you really look at it. Everyone looks at things every day, but they don't really pay attention or remember. What's the shape? What's the color? Yes, but don't you think that shapes and numbers are... Look, the blue box is changing. That's a famous painting, and there's another one. Hey, that's the face of a famous painter. Don't you see? The painting, it's gone. What is the blue box? It changes every time we see it. Hey, what's going on? Julia, what are you doing? You scared us. Yes. Scared you? Why? What did I do? Well, you... Hey, what's this blue box? I don't know. We don't know. Maybe it teaches us to read. I'm not sure. I saw some... No, I think it tells us about mathematics. You see, numbers and shapes, it's exactly 1 meter by 1. It doesn't really matter what it looks like. You draw it any way you like. I'll just... Well, it's a musical thing. Listen, I bet you could learn a lot from this. Sometimes just listening is the best way to learn. Come on, help me. It's fun. Hey, what are you doing? Sam, did you hear?
Hear what?
Music. It was amazing. It's a blue box. It does wonderful things. I can see the most famous paintings on it. The box can make music. It sends out a message to me in writing. I can learn from it. The blue box can make shapes and numbers. I think it's some kind of game.
Well, I don't think it's a game, Sam. It's for learning.
But Sally, I learn a lot from games and sports. Like when I ride my bike, I learn about speed and distance. And when I play with a ball, I learn about height and weight.
Sounds great fun to me.
Sure, learning should be fun too.
Don't break it!
Be careful!
Where'd she go?
Wow!
Look at the words. Look at the book. The blue box is all about reading.
Cool!
Look, it's a world of numbers and shapes. This is the world of color to light. This is a world of sound. I can make all kinds of sounds here. Whoa, a world of sports.
What is the blue box? What does each one of the children think the blue box is about? Now watch and find out what they think.
Hey, what are you doing?
Sam, did you hear?
Hear what?
The music. It was amazing. It's a blue box. It does wonderful things. I can see the most famous paintings on it. The box can make music. It sent out a message to me in writing. I can learn from it. The blue box can make shapes and numbers.
I think it's some kind of game.
Well, I don't think it's a game, Sam. It's for learning.
But Sally, I learn a lot from games and sports. Like when I ride my bike, I learn about speed and distance. And when I play with a ball, I learn about height and weight.
Sounds great fun to me.
Sure, learning should be fun too.
Now watch the following segment. What do the children see and do inside the blue box?
Wow!
Look at the words. Look at the book. The blue box is all about reading. Look, it's a world of numbers and shapes. This is the world of colors and lights. This is a world of sound. I can make all kinds of sounds here. Whoa, a world of sports.
What do you think the blue box is about?
Hey, look, there's a blue box.